Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and find apps. All you have to do now is simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and at the very bottom of the list we've got reset up preferences option, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any existing app data, so if you're ready, tap on reset. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.